How to set open to work on LinkedIn. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I would show you how you can set open to work on LinkedIn. So how can you set it? The first step is to log in into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your LinkedIn page automatically. On this page, you can see the LinkedIn logo by the top left corner. You can see the search box. You can see your profile picture. You can see your name. You can see etc. All right. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to your profile. So there are two ways of going to your profile. You can go to your profile by moving to the left side of the screen and clicking on your profile picture. Or you can move to the top right side of the screen and then click on your me icon. And then in the box displayed, you can just click on you can click on view profile. Whichever one, just ensure you locate your profile. And then once you're on your profiles page, you can see your profile, your background image, your profile picture, your name, and then you can see open to, right? So just click on open to. And then once you click on open to, a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see two options: hiring, providing services. So you can just click on hiring. That is if you want to set your account to hiring. But if not, I just click on it and then click providing services, and then you can now select the kind of services you are providing, etc. And then by the time you're done, you can see the option open to work in here. All right, open to work, and then to edit it, click on it, and you can now change this to suit your taste. And you can change this by clicking on this pencil icon at the top right side of the box, and here you can now edit your job preferences, and that is just it. And basically the basic way to set open to work is while creating your account. Yes, while creating your account, you'll be asked if you want to work, or you want to hire, or you just want to open a LinkedIn account. So if you select open to work, definitely your account will be set to open to work directly. And then when you open your profile, you can just edit the process, edit the open to work process. Or you can just come over here, just like I did, click open to, select providing services, and in the box display, you can select the kind of services you provide, and from there, you'll be able to set your open to work. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.